Once again, I welcome to my channel RM Classroom. So yesterday I have uploaded the question related to the geotechnical engineering. So the question was, a clay layer of 8 meter thick is subjected to a pressure of 70 kilonewton per meter square. If the layer has a double drainage and undergoes 50% consolidation in 1 year, what is the settlement of clay layer in 1 year if the coefficient of permeability is 0.04 meter per year and unit weight of water is 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube? And your options are, the first option is 166 mm, second option 450 mm, and 728 mm and 812 mm. So the settlement of the clay layer can be computed by uh, when three cases: when we know the value of void ratio, then the settlement can be computed as, so when case first, when we know the value of delta E, so we can compute delta E divided by 1 plus E naught, that is equal to delta H divided by H, where H is the thickness of the clay layer. So where delta H can be computed as delta E divided by 1 plus E naught into H. So this is the consolidation settlement in the clay layer when we know the value of change in void ratio and initial void ratio. Second case, case 2, when we know the value of coefficient of volume compressibility. So if we know the value of coefficient of volume compressibility, then settlement can be computed as delta H is equal to mv into delta sigma dash into H. And third case, for normally consolidated soil, for NC soil and CC is known, then delta H can be computed as SCC divided by 1 plus E naught log to the base 10 sigma 0 dash plus delta sigma dash divided by sigma 0 dash. So in the question, a clay layer of 8 meter thick. So this, let us assume this is our clay layer and 8 meter thick, and there is a double drainage. So drainage on the bottom and top portion of the clay layer. So this is the condition of double drainage subjected to a pressure of 70 kilonewton per meter square. So delta sigma dash is equal to 70 kilonewton per meter square, and the degree of consolidation is 50% and time is 1 year. T is equal to 1 year, and coefficient of permeability is also given, that is 0.04 meter per year, 0.040 meter per year. So firstly we have to find the value of coefficient of consolidation. So coefficient of consolidation can be computed as TV is equal to, time factor is equal to CV into T divided by H square. So TV can be computed as, if the degree of consolidation is less than 60%, so pi by 4 into U by 100 square. So it will be pi by 4 into 50 by 100 square. So it will be 0.196. Pi by 4 into 50 by 100 square. So this value will be 0.196. So the TV, if we computed the value of TV, so CV can be computed. TV is equal to CV into T by H square. So CV can be computed as TV into H square divided by T. So TV is 0.196 into H is, it is a case of double drainage, so we have to use H is equal to D by 2, means 4 meter. So H is equal to 4 meter, 4 square divided by time is 1 year. So CV is equal to 0.196 into 16 divided by 1. So it will be 3.136 meter square per year. Now we have computed the value of CV. So we have the relation according to consolidation equation. According to consolidation equation, we can compute the value of MV because K is given. So K is equal to CV into MV into gamma W. So here we can compute the value of MV, that is equal to K by CV into gamma W. So permeability is given. Permeability is 0.04. So 0.04 meter per year divided by CV is 3.136 into gamma W is 9.81. We have to use 9.81. So 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. So here MV can be computed as MV is equal to 0.04 divided by 3.136 into 9.81. So this value will be 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 3, and the unit is here meter per year, and CV is meter square per year. So per year cancel, and here kilonewton per meter cube. So it will be meter square per kilonewton. So the consolidation settlement can be computed as SC or delta H, that is equal to MV into delta sigma dash into H. So MV is 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 into delta sigma dash is given in the question, that is 70 kilonewton per meter square. So 70 kilonewton per meter square, and the thickness of clay layer is H. So it will is 8. So 1.3 into 770 into 8 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this value is 0.728 meter. So if I compute in mm, so it will be 728 mm. So C option is correct. C option is correct. So we can write option C is correct.